Wad Gin. Now, from what I'm told, old Wad's been here in Elko County about, I don't know, 30 years or something like that. I don't know how long he worked out at the ranch, but the man could not cook. He was horrible. If I had the cook that made this, like I said, my story wouldn't even be going on today. Anyway, so, you know, my business was out there by Halleck, but I had to come into Elko a lot to take care of some things and to talk about some stuff. So back on November 6th of 1915, I'm here in Elko, taking care of my business. I had 4 boys out working at the ranch. I got back to the ranch about 6 o'clock at night, and lo and behold, I walk in, I get out, I walked over to the main house, where the boys ate, by the way, and I could see in the kitchen that there were dishes on the table, food left out, but the boys were nowhere to be found.